management you need.
Alright, so today we got a little bit different one. We are going to the Street Machine Nationals in Des Moines, Illinois. Unfortunately, my buddy ain't with me. They don't want pets or any kind of dogs or anything in the on the fairgrounds, so no bacon, egg, and cheese for him today. I'll make it up to him. Check out some of these cool rides.
The Street Machine Nationals got here about an hour or so ago. They're just now starting to fill in. There's gonna be a lot of voiceover on this because, well, they're playing music on the fairground. Can't blame them for that, but YouTube doesn't like it. So 5, I think. You don't see them shortened very often. Did a good job on this thing. Did a really good job restoring this thing. Even the inside's nice. So something we're doing is building a car hauler or a tow rig, and this is right up that alley here. Did a really good job on this thing. In the background.
Actually, more of the body.
A lot of pretty neat, cool little rides here, like old Mustangs. I don't know how much I'll have to edit out because of the music in the background, but there's a little bit of everything here. There's even some four-wheel drive, even big old Ford there. Pretty cool Viper. So there's all kinds of stuff here at the Des Moines Street Machine Nationals. It's probably been 20 plus years since I've been here. Old Volkswagen Beetle. Some kind of V8 hanging out. You can see it just peeking out the fender there. So I don't know what it's sitting on. Good, and yourself? Like the Beetle. Made like an old gasser. TJ frame or? Oh, did you? Okay, nice build. I like the red glass. Good touch. Pretty nice old Fairlane, I believe it is. Done up kind of like an old gasser. I'm guilty of liking it all. I'm not just Jeep, not just. I like four wheels. Did a really nice job with this too. That's a good looking truck. Oh, Cuda. Oh, Challenger, I'm sorry. Just thinking about another 9 years, you'll be able to buy a 30 Ford again. Yeah, that's a cool Charger. I call it a Cuda, but it's a pretty cool Charger. Oh, that might have been an old Beretta. Yes, sir. I had a black one just like it. 70 Monte Carlo. I had a green one just like that. That's nice. So I learned how to drive in a car just like this. Well, not like this, but this year. It's a good thing it's an EcoBoost because sure it's easy on fuel. That is a nice machine. I like the metalwork there too. And there's a beautiful machine there. So this is pretty much what I'm looking for, but the 1-ton version of it. This old Apache. I love the body lines on these. The double front headlight. Yeah, that's a nice looking truck there. Very nice little C10. And got this nice old Blazer here. Seen this earlier when it was cruising. Didn't really get to look at it because it was moving, but another old Monte Carlo 70. Cool little Ford truck here. Cool funny car. Interesting blower setup there. And in Holly had a full setup here, all the gauges and everything you'd ever want. Other fuel management systems. Some of these gauges are pretty cool looking. Outfit an old rig, make it more period correct. All the fuel management you need. You don't see many of these left anymore. All the custom interior, flake, two-tone roof. That green paint that's sick. Something you don't see every day right there. So we've actually had this one on the channel before. This is why I come into a place like this, so you can see stuff like this. You don't see stuff like this every day. See me these old Mavericks left anymore. That dude's in good shape. We've done a lot of work to this thing. Anymore, old Camino, and not El Camino, just Camino. I haven't seen one of these in a long time. Jeeps on Jeepingmo channel, here you go. Preserve the patina on it. Redid the interior. Sitting on air ride. Alright, so that was a 2023 Street Machine Nationals in DuQuoin, Illinois. Pretty cool rods. It's not always just Jeeps on the channel. We like all things on four wheels, so we'll see you here on the next venture.